小，展开一手能飞翔。实为狩猎不是鸟，洞穴里，屋檐下，手爬物体身倒挂，昼伏夜出觅食去，回声定位把虫抓。
I'm a mammal that can fly, I am not a bird, neither blind as you might have heard. I am called a bat, like a flying mouse I look. I live in trees, tunnels, caves and nooks. My wings are modified, pollen's webbed with a skin. I give birth to a pup, single or twin. With my sharp teeth on fruits, fish and insects I feed. Of me there are over 1,000 species indeed. I hang upside down by my little feet. In my roost all day I sleep. In winters I hibernate, around myself my wings I wrap. I squeeze closely into hollows and gaps. I don't use my sight to fly as I don't see very well. But sharp are my sense of fly with great speed. I can make you recoil in fear indeed.
幸福快乐是太久。